Let's face it, the strongest, boldest version of you. He's dead. Not because the world took him away, but because you let distraction, comfort, and excuses bury him. You once had dreams that could have changed everything. Your story, your family, maybe even the world. But over time, you started settling for less. You chose easy distractions over hard purpose, cheap dopamine over real progress, quiet days over legendary ones. That powerful, focused, relentless self. He didn't just disappear. You buried him beneath hours wasted scrolling, risks never taken. And every time you whispered, "I'll do it tomorrow." Every excuse you make, every day you delay, you lose more of him. But here's the truth. It's not over. The best of you is waiting beneath the surface. He won't return through hoping or wishing. He only comes back when you fight for him, by declaring war on your comfort, your weaknesses, and every habit that pulls you down. It's your move now. Is that version of you really dead? Or is he just waiting for you to finally rise? If you're ready to dig him out, drop "I'm rising" below, and choose to fight for your future starting today.